upgrades for the 2025 Ford Bronco Raptor include VelociRaptor-branded front and rear bumpers, 20-inch Hennessey-branded wheels, 37-inch all-terrain tires, and an upgraded heat exchanger. Hennessey Performance uses the Ford Bronco Raptor 3.0 LV6 engine to deliver high-performance thrills to the 4x4 beast. As vehicles age and rack up the miles, components wear and tear. Understandably, the risk of replacing them increases. As a result, Hennessey Performance does not offer a warranty on vehicles older than 3 years or those with more than 20,000 miles, regardless of condition or maintenance. Texas-based hypercar manufacturer and high-performance vehicle creator Hennessey Performance has brought forward production of the new VelociRaptor 500 Ford Bronco Raptor performance upgrades and modification package to meet high customer demand. The new model features a striking new look with an increased output of 500 horsepower at 5,700 RPM and 550 lb-ft of torque at 3,900 RPM. The Ford Bronco Raptor is a luxury SUV that has captured the hearts of car enthusiasts everywhere. But for those looking for an even more exciting experience, Hennessey's VelociRaptor 500 package takes the Bronco Raptor's already impressive performance to new heights. Whether you're a car enthusiast or someone who simply appreciates the thrill of the open road, these videos showcasing the Hennessey VelociRaptor 500 Bronco Raptor are sure to impress. From test drives to sights and sounds, these videos offer a glimpse into the world of this high-performance SUV. Big fans of the new Bronco have been asking us for more power and increased performance capabilities since day one. Ford's version of the Raptor is a big improvement, but the engine has even more potential. The engineering team has put in the work to create the ultimate all-terrain SUV.